A very quick Atom video here, recording this portion during my live stream. Atom price is essentially the perfect visual of Bitcoin price, or no, of Bitcoin dominance going up. It's perfect. Look, so Atom has been very, very strong, moving in an uptrend between a couple origin lines, right? And now that it's finally, so let me zoom in on this part here. So this goes back to June of this year, right? And the timing of all, let's say from here to here, this is 157 days. From this point to this point, 157 days, general uptrend, right? Now that its base has been broken, and this has been one of the strongest performing alts out there on a trend basis. Now that it's over, like it's done. The uptrend is now over, and you can tell from these origin lines, and because Atom was among and still probably is, right? It's not like Atom's done forever or anything like that. But when the strongest, almost like Amazon or Tesla or whatever, they're leaders of NASDAQ, this is like even maybe even more so than Ethereum. Atom is like an altcoin leader. It's probably going to be one of the first movers come the beginning of the bull market. Yeah, Atom's it's the real deal here, and I can see it in the charts. I don't know anything about it fundamentally, but I can tell in the charts. Like it's not just trading pressure. Like there is investor pressure up. But anyway, so but because this has been among the best performing alts out there in this bear market, now that it has crossed that point, you can see very clearly this is the moment where Bitcoin dominance is going to begin trending up. And we already looked during this live stream. It is, and I showed you with my ribbons and all that. You can see it visually, even if you can't just stare at charts and tell. So that's why the rainbow's on there. Like this is a perfect indicator. It finally broke below there for the second time. Now is taking out the low it made, and it's going down to the next one. And that means Bitcoin dominance is now ready to go after Ethereum merge, shenanigans with altcoins, because altcoins were doing way too good, way too well for a bear market. It's all because of Ethereum. Now it's over, and because essentially the altcoin leader is now broken below this. Ethereum merge over. Atom now trend is done. The uptrend is over. Bitcoin dominance is going up, and alts are. Honestly, this is a really good indicator that alts are getting ready to get their ass kicked. Yeah. Now, when alts are getting their ass kicking, Atom will probably fare a lot better than the vast majority, maybe even better than Ethereum. I'm not gonna lie. Atom's real. Its chart is freaking impressive, everybody. Like this is some serious and just like a couple of very few coins that I've gone over, but it's been a few. Atom is one of those assets where it has among the strongest chances out of any altcoin to have already bottomed. There is a decent chance, and the chance of this one, it's probably above 1/3. I don't know. Maybe not 40%, but close to 1/3. Like there's a damn decent chance that this is the low, and in that case, it could do a double bottom type of deal, right? So, like let's say over time, it comes to this origin line over here, like this guy, but it doesn't hit it until December. That's still the same price. And so that doesn't mean go short now. Like it's a 54. It's not going to all happen one day, right? You could have one more. You could have one more pump up, a nice, especially this week. This week's going to be nuts. You could have another failure pattern above here, and if you're trying to short now, like that's 8%, and just on 10x leverage, you're very close to getting liquidated. You'll be 80% down, very close to your liquidation level. 15x, you're liquidated if you try to go short now, right? And you're not using stops like a smart person. You can easily get messed up if you're jumping on what I'm saying now on Atom and trying to short. I'm not giving you a trade signal, just overall thoughts. This has a damn good chance to have bottomed. But the more important thing I believe is going on here with Atom is that it is a market, it's an altcoin leader. It looks like the total 2 and total 3 charts are getting ready to take a strong leg down within 30 days. It's probably going to happen by November, the middle of November. It's getting ready to. It could happen this week. Uh, and you can see it right there. So, yeah, this is an interesting. Just realize that Atom is a market leader and use it as such until it's not.